Good morning, Deborah Hartless coming to you with my charcoal mask on this morning. ClearProof Charcoal Mask. We recommend to use it 2 to 3 times a week. It's for all skin types and it pulls out twice its weight of impurities. You simply apply an even layer all over your face, and we have this nice silicone mask applicator. It can be used for all masks, but this one is what I used to apply it on, and let it set 10 to 20 minutes till it starts looking matte finish, and at that time you rinse it off with warm water. It does not peel. It does not a mask that peels to pull or damage your skin. It simply washes off very easily. No tugging, just the warm water. It feels so good. And these are $24 and these are $12, and we have 2 more. I have 2 more. Mine's wet, but I'll still hold it up. 2 more of these wonderful Mary Kay mask cloths. They have Mary Kay in the corner, the eyelashes, and they're nice large size, as you can see. I just got mine warm with warm water. So it's time to take it off, and I don't know if you can see with the pores, it will look like actual holes, but this is so good for 2 to 3 times a week. It'll make your skin feel so much cleaner, pull the impurities out, and it will help to minimize your pores. Okay, I'm going to take this off. Bear with me a second. You just rub it. Let that warm water touch your face. And as I said, it's very easy to remove. I got it up in my hairline. I probably should not have done that. You always want to make sure you get your T-zone. That's the most popular area people have problems with and to concentrate on. You don't want to get it too close to your eyes or mouth. I'm going to look at my other mirror over here. Sorry. And then after you remove your mask, your skin is nice and clean and ready to start your day. I normally like to do my masks on Monday and Thursdays, but I was involved in something else yesterday morning and did not get to do that. So I wanted to come on today and show you the charcoal mask, and then what you follow up with is your normal daily routine, your moisturizer. But first, if you use a serum, you put a serum before you put your moisturizer. This is the Repair Volume Firm Lifting Serum, and I always want to make sure to include a neckline, and the jawline here is what I'm working on as far as lifting. This is a wonderful product. This is part of the Volume Firm Repair. When you've had when you have skin damages you want to repair. Okay, then what I use is the Repair Volume Firm Repair Day Cream. This has SPF 30. Whoop, I think I got too much. And as you know, with all Mary Kay products, it only takes a little bit. It goes a very long ways. You always rub up and out, okay? Always up and out. You don't want to bring your skin any other direction but up. And when it comes to, and don't forget your chin and neck, ladies. When you are around your eyes, working with your eyes and eye products, you want to bring that in to the bridge of your nose and go up and over. Because if we pull out here, that is going to cause a little of the crow's feet, we call it. And we don't want to do that. Our skin under our eyes has no elasticity. Okay, there we are. I'm ready to start my day with my makeup. Just wanted to show you the charcoal mask and the moisturizer, the day cream. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.